welcome to Parrot's training videos for the ANAFI AI. In this video, we'll walk through what comes with the ANAFI AI system. Let's begin.
Each ANAFI AI system will include the following. The ANAFI AI aircraft. On the top we will find a gimbal lock. This protects both the camera and the obstacle avoidance so it will not spin freely inside of the case. Make sure to install this lock every time you put the system away. On the left side of the drone you'll find a slot for the SD card, and on the right side of the drone you'll find the slot for the 4G SIM card. To extend the arms, extend only the top arm and the bottom arm will also lock into place. To remove the battery from the ANAFI AI, press with your thumb on the main body and release the clip on the bottom. To install it, simply slide the battery back into the battery slot and you'll hear a click to ensure the battery is locked into place. Now let's take a look at the Sky Controller 4. The Sky Controller 4 can extend to accommodate a wide variety of different smart devices. On the bottom of the Sky Controller 4 you'll find two ports, a USB-C port for charging and an HDMI out port that allows you to stream live video. On the right side of the Sky Controller 4 you'll find a USB-C port. This is to connect your smart device to the controller. You'll notice that you have the ability to unscrew the control sticks from the Sky Controller 4 and store them in the side of the controller. This is for easy transportation. Now let's take a look inside the accessory bundle that comes with your ANAFI AI. Inside this package you'll find a variety of things. You'll find a spare set of propellers for both the left and right side. You'll find two USB-C to USB-C cords. These will be used for charging and to connect your smart device. You'll also find a USB-C to Lightning cord. This is if you want to connect an iPhone and use it as your smart device. You'll also find the charger for the ANAFI AI battery and the controller. This fast charger will allow you to charge both the controller and the battery at the same time. You'll also find a spare set of control sticks in case you lose the ones that come with your system. Parrot also includes a wide variety of different chargers so that you can charge your ANAFI AI in many countries across the world. Inside the case for the ANAFI AI you'll also find a sticker that gives you the password to link the remote and the aircraft. Each ANAFI AI also comes with a super quick startup guide to get you in the air as fast as possible.
The ANAFI AI is a highly functional system. Its ability to operate in both 4G and Wi-Fi frequencies enable you to operate in both extended and beyond visual line of sight operations. However, keep in mind that you need to have the proper documentation before you do so. Now that we have some information on the system, we'll talk about charging in our next video. Thanks for tuning in to Parrot's training videos for the ANAFI AI.